Riu matanya maigithia hari kuyukia kigina kiria maigithitie bengi-ini haguku ya Imperial no mathiete na mbere na kuriuka thutha wa miaka ina ya gukorwo makinyanagira na kigina giki. Kuringana na murugamiri munene wa ruhonge rwa kuramata uigithia rwa KDIC Mohamed Mahmud, bengi ya KCB nirikitie kurikiria mibango ya kwigwatira bengi ino umuthi wa aigithia makiamukira gicunji kia 40% kia uigithia wao.
We have done whatever is humanly possible to enable them access up to 40% of their deposits, and we are not abandoning them.
Kuona gicunji kia 50% gia kigina gia bengi ino haguku gietereire mutaratara wa igoti niguo kirekererio. Mahmud akauga wona kiarekererio hatiri undu tangaja aigithia ni makuguneka.
In Imperial Bank, 50% of the loan asset is before the courts. So I'm working with a portfolio of 50%.
7.5 billion is whatever is outstanding, which is around 53 billion,
yeah.
And that's what we'll be paying 7.5%, and we leave KDIC to resolve what remains.
Niguo gwithema na undu ta uyu bengi-ini giothe, riu bengi nene ni ambiririe kugerekaga bengi ciothe bururi-ini na njira ya mwanya. Undu ria ruhonge rwa KDIC rurihuthagira hari gutereba ruhonge ruru.
If you have not put in systems, if maybe central bank has rated you low, that is the number we're going to use, and that number will affect that bank's contribution to KDIC in form of premium, because it will be higher. And that will also make the banks now kind of self-regulate themselves.
Ona kuri ugwa aigithia ni mahetwo mwihoko wa undu uyu gukinyanira ihinda o riothe ona makinya mothe maria magiriire marikirira.
We still continue to realize those assets, so okay, to work maybe to also await the outcome of the courts. Eventually they will definitely get additional, they will recover their additional deposits.
Handu-ini ha metha wonjoria Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.